In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on a Ninjatrader chart. By the end, you'll be able to quickly see more historical bars on your screen without changing workspaces or switching instruments, just by adjusting the time scale along the bottom of the chart. Start by bringing your attention to the horizontal time axis at the bottom of your chart. This is the x-axis that shows timestamps like hours, days, or dates depending on your interval. The key to zooming out is to interact directly with this time axis, not the price scale on the right and not the chart area itself. Move your mouse cursor down to the time axis and position it anywhere along that lower margin. You'll know you're in the right place when the cursor indicates you can drag, or when you see the highlight or subtle change that confirms you're over the timeline. Now, press and hold the left mouse button and drag to the right. As you drag right on the time axis, you are compressing the horizontal scale. You'll immediately see each bar or candle become narrower, and more of them will fit on the screen at once. This is the visual cue that you are successfully zooming out. Keep dragging until you can see the amount of history you want, then release the mouse button to lock in that view. If the movement feels too fast, slow down your hand motion and make smaller drags to fine-tune the zoom level. Watch the timestamps as you adjust. They'll bunch closer together as you zoom out, giving you a quick sense of how much additional history is now visible. If you've dragged farther than you intended and the candles look too compact, simply perform the same click and drag on the time axis in the opposite direction to loosen the scale back up. A few quick troubleshooting notes to keep things smooth. Make sure you're clicking on the time axis itself, not inside the main chart area. Dragging inside the chart typically pans the view rather than changes the zoom. If you're using a trackpad, the same left click and drag gesture on the time axis applies. Also, give the chart a second to refresh after a large adjustment. Ninjatrader will redraw the bars as the timeline compresses. That's all there is to it. By clicking and dragging the time axis to the right, you compress the chart's horizontal scale and immediately see more data on screen, which is perfect for reviewing context, spotting larger trends, or comparing today's price action to prior sessions at a glance.